Okay, good night. My name is Carlos Felipe Gutierrez Garzón, and today I'm going to talk about the vowel sounds. We are going to start with the vowels. Okay, the first is E, E. And the example is sheep, sheep. Okay, the next is E, E. And the example is sheep. The next is oo, oo. And the example is good. The next is oo, oo, oo. And the example is should. The next is uh, uh, uh. The example is bed. The next is air, air. And the example is teacher. The next is ear, ear, ear. And the example is beer. The next is or, or. And the example is door. The next is a, a. And the example is cat. The next is u, u, u. And the example is up. The next is r, r. An example is far. The last of the vowels is u, u, u. The example is un. Okay, now I continue with the diphthongs. The first of the diphthongs is ear, ear, ear. And the example is hair, hair. Okay, the next is a, a, a. And the example is wait. The next is oo, oo, oo. And the example is tourist. The next is oi, oi, oi. And the example is boy. The next is o, o, o. And the example is show, show. The next is ear, ear, ear. And the example is hair, hair. The next is I, I. And the example is my. Okay, the last is O, O, O. And the example is co. Okay, that's all of the vowels of diphthongs. Thanks for her and good night.